Slow mo.
1, 2, 3.
Very slow, very slow.
Slow. Purposeful.
Towards Mary Lou. That's good. Up. Towards Mary Lou again. Okay, good. Keep going. Go. Up.
We're good?
Higher.
Are we clear?
Now you're clear.
I'm going to step up.
And that way. Towards the house. You're good.
Can someone open this trail?
Tell if the blades took.
Boy, that's not gonna melt the tub, is it?
No. I'm not letting it go.
Well, somebody. Whoa.
Yeah, bring that over here. Thank you.
Keep the move on.
You got it.
You got it?
Open up one.
Are you guys counting?
Different.
Yes.
Small. Okay, that's it.
Whoa, look at that glow.
That's
how
glowing.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
All that stuff's in there.
Okay.
That's how you do
Okay,
it.
does anything of that go into reduction this year? There's a gargoyle in here. There's something.
Actually, the water's not hot. You can see.
Oh, I can do that. Mostly I wiped off the excess glaze, but this one I put on different coats of all of them.
It's amazing how different it is.
That is cool as heck. Turned out.
I love the breezes. Where's the other dog? This one has his foot.
Linda thought it would melt through the snow and burn our lawn.
That was a thought. And we can put a small piece in. Oh, what is that? Did that break? Candace, where do you want this? Down?
Yeah. Oh, it's broken.
I think the other part of it's right here.
That's okay.
Oh.
Are you putting horsehair on
I will. Picture frames.
Uh-oh, you really got that.
Hold on.
Oh, this is much better this time.
It's like watching the frames in Seattle.
Yeah, that's way faster than that.
You're happy with how that? Oh yeah, look at that.
It's much better
Trains in
than
Seattle, not.
it was. Then did you get that? Oh, you haven't seen this one yet.
I never would have done it if you hadn't kept pushing. Now I wish I'd done 10 of them.
Well, there's always next year.
Does anybody need a pair of grabbers?
I'm going to be a okay.
Okay, so you just lift it slowly.
2, 3.
Very slow. Let's see how it's going in there. Towards Kirsten a tad. Okay, up. Straight up, it looks like to me. Stop!
Yeah.
Go towards Desiree quite a bit.
No, you're gonna get the other piece.
Uh-oh, it's moving the whole grate.
Well, you can always go back down again.
Yeah, go back down.
We can go down?
Yes, go down.
Oh, we can go up. You see.
Okay, yeah, keep going up. Straight up, and over. Whoa, that was tricky. Uh-oh, something fell apart there.